Hello everyone, welcome to InfoComm 2026. We're here in Las Vegas, and behind me is one of our famous MASH series product. This product is used for many famous landmarks on Las Vegas Strip, lighting up the skyline, and it's a outdoor rated IP65 ultra transparent and lightweight MASH product. And here you can see the upcoming Hard Rock Casino is using this product to light up the skyline. And we also use the same product for the Al Davis Memorial Torch at the Allegiant Stadium in Vegas. What's unique about this product is that we're using a remote power control system. We call it branch controller, which allow us to have the power and control system far from the outdoor mesh, so that making serviceability and accessibility very easy, so easy maintenance. And then on the product itself, we're using the latest Nichia LED chip, which gives more than 10,000 brightness. So you can see it on the under direct sunlight and during the day, and it still offers very bright. In terms of pixel pitch, we offer several different type of pixel pitch options, anywhere from 16 millimeter, 25, 31 as well millimeter pixel pitch. We have used in a lot of large architectural facade buildings, sports stadiums. And it's it's a great product, very durable. Standard warranty is 5 years. We promise 10 years operating lifespan. So highly recommended. For more information, please visit our www.clearled.com. Thank you.